Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a short review on these tyres I had fitted semi-recently. They are the Davanti Terratoura all-terrain all-season tyres. These are the old ones I had on the 110. I think they're just some cheap ones that they just came with the 110. They aren't very good, they're just budget ones I believe. So I was looking at getting some new ones. Straight off I will say Davanti reached out to me and kindly donated some towards the 110 to try out and review. To be honest, the tyres did match everything I was looking for. The main area my old tyres struggled were in winter for traction. Winter tyres have a higher natural rubber content which keep them supple during the cold. The softer they are, the more the tyre is able to interlock with the road, which improves handling and grip. My old tyres were absolutely terrible in winter for losing grip. Anyway, here's the new ones fitted. I've put together a few clips of how I use my Land Rover and I thought I'd comment on the new tyres as I go along. Like many others, I do mainly on-road driving, but I do enjoy exploring and adventuring out on those green lanes as well. In my opinion, that's what these vehicles are for, hard work and exploring on those muddy tracks. I don't do hardcore off-roading, but this is the sort of thing that I do. As I said earlier, these tyres are all-terrain and all-season. Because I live in the UK, all-season tyres match up to everything I'll ever need. We never get severe weather conditions. At most, it's a little bit chilly. It's pretty much always raining, and Terratouras are actually tested to -30 and above 30 degrees anyway. However, if you're in the UK and you have pretty moderate weather conditions like I do, Terratoura all seasons are definitely something to consider. These grooves and two main channels that run around the circumference of the tyre help with water and debris disbursement. The deep tread pattern and grooves bite into the snow and help to compact the snow in those cavities, which intensifies the grip. This is the 3-peak mountain snowflake symbol, which indicates the tyre meets the required safety standards and performance criteria in snow testing. As you know, these tyres were donated, however I will always give my honest review. I am impressed so far. They have performed really well with the sort of green laning that I do. They are better on the road than my old tyres. However, I don't have much to compare them to be honest, just my old tyres. But compared to my old ones, they are much quieter on the road, provide much more grip in these muddy conditions, and I really look forward to seeing how these perform this winter. And I'm also quite keen to see how they stand the test of time. I shall definitely keep you updated on how I get on and release another review video. But that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next time.